Hello everyone, you know what time it is. It's day 37. We have $9,032.19 in our portfolio today, Monday, October 20th. And we were up almost 200. So, what did I really do today? I did put some more into the positions that I have. I don't know why it's not. Okay, here's my buying power, 4,000. I think I had about 5,500, I believe. So like I put some more in WIX, put some more in Adobe, put some more in Spotify, put some more in Team. I put a lot more in Team. I think like 400. Like 300 more in Team. So yeah, I'm just we just normally investing. I also bought NBIS group. So this one pulled back from an all-time high. Let's see if you can see that its all-time high was October 10th at almost at 139.97, so almost at 140. So I tried to get it at 20% away from that high. So I got it around 115, 113, 114. And yeah, this is also its 3-month chart. So it's been going ballistic, over 100% in the past 3 months. It has been going ballistic. And why is it going ballistic? Because NBIS is a technology company that provides infrastructure and services to AI builders worldwide. So it offers NBIS AI, an AI-centric cloud platform, provides full-stack infrastructure, including large-scale GPU clusters, cloud services, and developer tools. So basically, it's just a powerhouse for AI, and that is what is very relevant. That's also why companies like OKLO, it's a nuclear company, but what they do is they're building, I think, these AI powerhouses, these AI databases that can pretty much store all this information, all this stuff. I'm gonna call it stuff because it's a lot of stuff. You know what I'm saying? But OKLO, I think, is they're known for like reducing their size, so they can create like smaller infrastructure than other companies that house AI. So you know what I'm saying? All these chips, all these AI platforms and things that are being made have to be stored somewhere in some sort of database. So these companies like NBIS, like OKLO, they're basically the people that are housing it, and that sounds good to me. in this tech age, that sounds good to me. But right now, I haven't gotten into any calls like that. I'm just peeping. I'm really peeping. I'm on my toes with this market. This market, it can get fugazi. You know what I'm saying? So I'm looking for price targets of 690 and 700. Really 700. 700 for Spotify, because it always gets back to 700. Like, no matter what I do, I always see it go right back to 700. So that's what I'm expecting, because it's just happened every time. WIX is looking pretty good, guys. I'm not even gonna lie. Even for a call, I don't know. But the thing is, after what happened on Friday and how the SPY looks on its chart, let's see if I can pull it up right now. Let's look at the SPY, guys. I'm just looking at this chart for real. Let's look at the year to date chart, right? Let's just look at it. I just look at it, right? And you see this big red, like all this was crypto crashing, all this was stocks crashing, this big red candle right here. Now we have to break out past this in order to continue this bullish trend. Because if we look, you know, this candle, it was kind of almost the same, but not really, because this one closed out 3 candles, so that could have started a downtrend. And also, when we look at the fear and greed index, it's fearful. You know what I'm saying? So I'm really I'm cautious. I'm a little cautious. You know what I'm saying? We're still in the uptrend though. Like, things are just going up and up and up and up since then. But hey, man, anyone can get slipped in the market. But yeah, but that's pretty much what we got going, guys. That is pretty much it. But I think I'm gonna start, like, when I see something low and red and down, I gotta start attacking it. You know what I'm saying? Not full size, not full leverage, full position, but I gotta start taking the risks. Because there's certain opportunities I looked at and I'm like, nah, it could go lower. It could go lower, but sometimes it doesn't. So you need to capitalize on it in that moment. Like Lyft, I saw it when it was at 19. You know what I'm saying? Dropped. Where did it drop? It dropped. Because I had alerts on it. Let me see the low. Yes, when it dropped to this 1886, I was looking at it, I was like, yeah, it's gonna go back up to, but it could go back down further. But now it's up there, but it still doesn't mean that it won't go back or it can't go back, because that's how stocks are, that's how cycles are. It's just that you have to capitalize on the cycle when it happens. All right, that's why I tried to capitalize on this Spotify, this pullback where Spotify gets to 660, 670s. I like that. I like that entry. I like that entry personally. If you look at it, we see it 663, tries to pull back. We see another one, 666. The 660, 670 range, it pulls back, but then what happens? It goes back up to where? 710. It goes back up to where? 700. It goes even further, 40, goes back down, but then it gets back to the 700, and it does it sometimes within a day or within a week. So yeah, that's what we doing for that. All right, guys, we trying to rinse and repeat these plays. Rinse and repeat the play. All right, guys, so with that, I'm gonna say peace. Have a good one. The markets is open tomorrow. It's Tuesday. I'm about to do it again. All right.